everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I recently did some makeup shopping and I got 10 things, and I figured that I would come on here and do a mini haul for you guys, as well as a first impressions video. And if you guys would like to see more of these here on my channel, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do them. And as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, I'm going to be starting with some of the eye products I got. The first one is from EYELURE. I absolutely love their makeup. They have a great quality makeup, and this is just the EYELURE Brow Magician, and mine is in the shade number 20 Mid Brown, and this is a precision crayon and tinted fixer duo. On this end, there is an angled tip, which doesn't need to be sharpened, which is nice because it twists up. And then on this end, you have a small brush head for precise application, and you can go over it. I'm going to try this out. Like I said, this is my first impressions. I have my trusty Sephora gift card mirror. Fun fact, if you go to Sephora and buy a $10 gift card, they give you a free mirror to put the gift card in. I like these mirrors, so I literally just go and buy $10 gift cards just to get the mirror. I mean, you're gonna use this gift card at one point or another, and so if you need a little mirror, this one is perfect because one side is magnified and one side is just regular. We are going to start with the angled end. I will tell you right now, I suck at doing my eyebrows, but we're gonna try it. I have a bunch of different things, so I'm gonna do like half and halves. So I'm going to be doing this on my right side, which is the brow I'm better at filling in anyways. Right off the bat, I really like it. It's really creamy. It's really easy to use. It is definitely a little light for me. I do have darker brows. However, I didn't want to get the dark brown one because then it makes my brows look scary. So, as someone who sucks at doing this, I can tell you this product is great. I really like how easy it is to use, and it's all in one product. You don't have to use 50 different things. I definitely think they look really natural, which is really nice. So this is the comparison. I really like it. I'm really impressed. Haha, get it? First impression. So now we are going to be moving on to this side, which is just the tinted brow stuff, and I'm just going to go over what I just did with that. I can say this isn't my favorite. It's very, very watery. I mean, it looks nice and it looks blended. However, you guys can probably see right there, it's very liquidy and gets everywhere. But I do think that they look pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this product a 9. It is super easy to use. I would definitely probably go darker next time I get this, but I still think it's pretty good. It matches pretty good. It doesn't look bad. The only thing I don't like is that the tinted fixer is a little more on the watery side. I like one that is a little more sticky. That's just my personal preference. But overall, I really like it. It's really easy to use. I really like the packaging, and this is one of those products that's great to just throw in your purse. Next, I have a mascara, and this is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. This claims that it has explosive volume and length, 150% fierce full-blown volume, 100% saw dramatic thickness, 88% extreme length in a clinical test. I really like that the packaging is mixed. It's like matte on half the tube and then it's like glossy on the other. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Again, I'm gonna do this on the right side. So this is just what the brush looks like. It's got really tiny bristles and it kind of like angles weirdly. It kind of goes like in a scoop. Let's go ahead and see how I like this. And let me tell you, I'm a mascara junkie. I love mascara. I love this mascara, let me tell you. I'm not even done with it and I can tell you I love it. I love the tiny bristles. This isn't clumping. I have yet to poke myself in the eye, which I usually do. And there is like a dramatic difference. I'm gonna give this mascara a 10 out of 10. I believe Flower Beauty can be purchased at Walmart. And I have it in the color Fiercest Black. I have a pair of false lashes from EYELURE, and these are the EYELURE Luxe Mink Effect lashes, and they are the opulent ones. They have a feather-light feel, and they are reusable, and the adhesive is included. And what's really nice about these ones is they are labeled on which eye you are supposed to use them for. So you have the right and the left. I'm gonna do it on the left because I did the right with the mascara. So we're gonna measure. I can tell you from looking at these are amazing. They have like crisscrosses. So I have cut it, and now I'm gonna glue, and then you're supposed to wait like 30 seconds. Some of the glues are nice because they turn like a different color. Like a lot of them start off as white and then turn blue when you're going to use them and when it's ready and tacky. This one doesn't. We're getting tacky, so we're going to apply them. So that's just what the lashes look like. There's such a dramatic difference. This looks hilarious. I love these. They actually look so natural. Like, it looks like I have lash extensions, but I didn't have to pay, you know, $200 to $300 it is to get them. So that's really nice. They're so light and like they blend really well with my natural lashes. I've used the Ardell ones in the past. I'm not a fan of those. I think they're like cheaply made. I don't like the Kiss lashes either. These ones, however, these are bomb. I wish I had had these for my graduation because these would have made me look so good. I love them. 9 out of 10. So far, so good on this. Next, this is a product from Walmart. It is the Lalafox Micro Essential Mist Moisture Water. The mist provides moisturization and hydration when sprayed to the skin. Directions: hold mist 6 to 8 inches away and spray product 3 to 5 times on face. This is just what it looks like. Not much is happening. It smells really nice. Ugh. Doesn't taste good. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it in. I think I'm gonna give this product like a 5 out of 10. It's weird. It's like sticky. Not sure what the point of this is. If any of you know what the point of this is, let me know. Next, I probably shouldn't have sprayed this stuff all over my face like I did because I do have a primer. This one is one I've been dying to try. It's the Too Faced Hangover RX. And I just got the little travel size because I'm not gonna go ahead and buy a full size because I don't know if I like it yet. This one is silicone free. You get 20 milliliters in the travel size. I just did 1 pump. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it on this side of my face, so the left. I really like the way it feels on top of your skin. It glides really nicely. I definitely took way too much because I'm only doing half my face. It smells nice. I definitely think it makes me look really shiny on this side. I like it. It doesn't make your skin tacky or sticky or gross. It's still smooth. Right off the bat, I'd probably give this like an 8 out of 10. I think they do go a little excessive with the packaging. They could have done a little bit of a smaller cap, I think. It does feel full, like the packaging actually feels full, doesn't feel like there's air in it or anything. Next, I have the e.l.f. BB cream. I've tried the e.l.f. BB cream before. I've used it in makeup tutorials. However, this one is different because it has SPF 20 in it, and the one before that didn't. And I just got it in the shade Buff. And I'm gonna put this all over my face so I can see the difference between the primer and the not primer. I definitely got the wrong shade. I was thinking since it's gonna be summer, I'm gonna need a darker shade. But I'm gonna have to go back and get the lighter shade. The pump on this one, let me tell you, is kind of defective. Oh my god. I definitely got the wrong shade. You know, I think this year I'm gonna have to like mix the shades, the light one and the dark one. It definitely works better on the side with the primer. I usually use a beauty blender from Real Techniques to apply my makeup. However, I wasn't thinking and I didn't prepare for this. So I'm just gonna use my finger because with a BB cream you are supposed to be able to just, you know, use your finger. I feel like I look like an Oompa Loompa, honestly. Maybe by the end of the summer I can use this when I'm a little bit tanner. It definitely feels different than the original one without the SPF. I don't know if it's because they like add moisturizer with SPF in it or what. I'd probably give this probably like a 7 out of 10. Getting down to the end, I have 4 more products to talk about. The next one is a powder and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and mine is in the shade 100 Translucent. This is just what it looks like. And then you put this down and you get one of the little sponges and you also get a mirror, which is nice. So it's like an all-in-one thing. So I did get translucent so that it doesn't matter how tan I am or anything. Even though this is supposed to be translucent, it's definitely lightening it up a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I can. I really like this packaging. It's really easy to switch through. So like I'm using the powder and stuff and then you can just use the mirror. I do think I'd probably use a brush. I feel like this sponge doesn't do much, but it's what I have to use right now. But this powder feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy. I'd probably give this a 10 out of 10, honestly. I really like the packaging. The last actual makeup product is a lip product. This is one of the NYX Liquid Suedes, and it is a cream lipstick. I've never tried one of these, and I got the color Tea and Cookies. It's just like a nice pinky mix of a color, and I figured it'd be perfect for spring and summer. I really like the applicator. It's angled, it's flat, and then it's rounded on the sides, which I like, because I can't stand the ones that are like one angled and you can only use it one way. It's really easy to put on. The only thing is that it seems really patchy. This is just what it looks like. I really like it. It's like a really nice pink. It's like a Barbie pink. That's how I would describe it. Barbie pink. I definitely want to try more of these. I think the point of this is that it is supposed to be velvety, kind of like, you know, suede. It's definitely not matte like the ones I like, but I think I want to try more shades and see if I like other shades better. I'm really into like the nudie red shades more than I am pinks, but I don't own any pinks and I saw this one and I figured it looked good. I would give this a 9 out of 10. I loved how easy it was to put on. The only thing I don't like about it is that it does look patchy, but I mean, it could be because it's one of the suedes. I don't know, maybe it'll look different if I put a gloss over it, but yeah, I like it. I think it looks cute. And then I screwed up big time and probably should have done this first. It is the Double Dare OMG Peeling Gel, and this one is the the lemon one. Probably should have done this before I did anything else. So we're going to save this for last and I'm going to do it on my arm. But I have a hair care product. This is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo in Toasted Coconut. It absorbs excess oils, gives you a tousled texture, and leaves no residue. I am a stickler for dry shampoo, as you guys know. I've tried the Batiste, I've tried the Herbal Essence, I have tried the chlorine one, and I have yet to try anything from the Not Your Mother's line. However, everyone raves about it, so I'm like, I'll go ahead and try it. And this, I think, was like $4 for this huge thing, and you get 7 ounces, and I know that the Batiste ones are like $6.99, I believe. I don't know, this one was just way bigger. They were next to each other on the shelf at Target, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna try this one. It's cheaper, and there's more product in it. That spray though. Oh, so we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna try it. Look at that volume. Oh my god, I love this stuff. Doesn't leave any white residue. I know the Batiste ones do. Oh my god, and it makes your hair feel really light and fluffy. Okay, I love this. This is gonna be a new holy grail product for me. I can already tell. So this I'm gonna give a 10 out of 10. Between the price, the packaging, the product itself, they're all bomb. So go get you some. So last we have the Double Dare OMG Peeling Gel, and this one, like I said, is the lemon one. Oh wow, you get a lot of product. I have never tried anything from them. That smells good. It smells like Pledge dust spray. Okay, so the directions. After cleansing, apply peeling gel over entire damp face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Thoroughly rinse off with lukewarm water. And I'm just gonna put it on my arm so it's damp. Put a little dab of that. And now we rub. Okay. This feels nasty. Okay. What the heck? Do you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's like balling up and it looks like damp toilet paper is what it feels like. Like, you know how if you've ever like tried to use toilet paper to like clean up water? That's how it's becoming. It smells really good and it makes you really smooth. It feels really nice, so I'm sure it'll feel really nice on my face and I can let you guys know about that. So those are my first impressions. Like I said, if you guys would like me to do more videos like this one, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I'm sorry if this was like a super long video, but if you guys like videos like that, let me know because I could also do like chatty get ready with me's. I've never done anything like this and I thought it was a lot of fun. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and like them. Also, if you guys have any product suggestions you want me to try in a video, let me know those down below as well. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to see new videos from me each week. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!